Have you ever wondered why some people get software engineering jobs with high salaries while others struggle for years? It is because they are genius. They study in the IITs, or they did know some secret like a Harry Potter? The answer is none of this. In this channel, I am going to show you the exact roadmap that thousands of successful software engineers have followed. And today we are starting from absolute zero. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you are a college student or a fresher or someone who want to switch into software engineering, this channel is made for you. My goal is simple. I want to explain software engineering in the easiest possible way. No unnecessary jargon, no complicated theory. Only practical concept that help you crack interviews and become a better engineer. Every week, I'll upload tutorial on programming, data structure, system design, backend development, front-end development, interview questions, interview preparation, how to build resume, and career guideline. So, if that sounds useful, consider subscribing and let's begin this journey together. Why software engineer? Let first answer an important question. So, why software engineer? Today, almost every company is becoming a technology company. Bank writes software, hospital use software, shopping apps run on software. Even your smartwatch is powered by a software. Because of this demand, software engineering continues to be one of the most exciting career paths. It offers opportunities to solve real world problems, work remotely, collaborate with the global team, and keep learning throughout your career. The field involves constantly, which means there are always something new to explore. Okay. Now let me tell you the biggest mistake that beginner make. They try to learn everything like Python today, Java tomorrow, JavaScript next week, machine learning next month, cloud after that. And after 6 months, they still don't know how to build anything. The internet has like um, unlimited resources, but the unlimited resources create unlimited confusion. Okay, so the solution is simple: follow a roadmap, learn one thing at a time, practice it, and build project. Then move to the next step. So here is the roadmap we are going to follow on this channel. So what is that? In step one, we'll learn one programming language. Well, it could be either Python or Java or C++ or JavaScript or Rust or something like that. Don't worry too much about choosing the perfect language. Okay. The important thing is understanding programming fundamental, uh, not the complete all programming language. Okay. So what is the step two? Step two is like master data structure and algorithm. Um, what is that in the DSA? Under the DSA, that would be like array, string, linked list, okay, stack, queue, trees, uh, graphs, and few and dynamic programming also. This topic help improve your programming solving skill and commonly tested in like technical interviews. What is step three? Step three is like we'll learn in something called DevOps. DevOps, a basic DevOps like Git or GitHub, Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, CI/CD, um, something that's it. Okay, because version control is an essential skill for working on software project with others. Okay, what is step four? Step four is like we'll build a project. Okay. Projects so that you can apply what you have learned. Okay. Even simple application is demonstrate progress. What is step five? Step five will be like uh, database, like MySQL or MongoDB or PostgreSQL. MySQL and MongoDB is basically using most of the companies. So we'll, we'll go for the MySQL, and then we'll go for the MongoDB. MongoDB is basically used for like React or Angular, something like that. Okay. So now understand how the SQL and basic database design works. Okay, and how to write a query. Um, and we'll go for the in-depth SQL tools. Now, what is step six? Step six is um, we'll choose a direction. Like it is a front-end development, back-end development, full stack development, mobile development, cloud engineering. It is artificial AI. Now AI is very important. So artificial intelligence, data structure, data engineering, cyber security. There are many paths, and we'll explore them on this channel. And step seven, we go for the preparing for the interviews. We'll resume and project. Basically, you guys can get it. There are lots of online tools can generate a free, like the free ATS friendly resume. You guys can follow use those laws. There are also few paid version. Better to go for the free version first. If you are not satisfied with the free version, then only go for the paid version. Okay. Then then it comes to the resume. Then it is project. Then coding round. Then system design. Then behavioral interview. We'll cover the every stage. Okay. So what you can expect here? There must be a question. So first of all, complete programming tutorial. Second, coding interview preparation, placement guideline, project-based learning, resume reviews, mock interviews, career advice, latest in the industry trends, and, and practical tips that I wish someone had told me when I started. Okay. Started means starting from the career, my career. So everything I will be explaining from this, from the basic. No assumption and no gatekeeping. Okay. I know many of you might be thinking like I am not from the top college. I started late. I am not good at coding. I have failed interviews before. Here's Yes, there are something important things you have to know. Like every experienced software engineer once a beginner. Okay, nobody write a perfect code on day one. So keep practicing, keep learning. Uh, Progress will come from consistency. You guys all know. If you spend like even one focused hour every day, like 1 or 2 hour every day learning and practicing, you will be much further along than someone who studied only occasionally. Okay. The goal is not know everything. The goal is to keep improving. Like uh, pick a language, learn it, practice it, build a project. Then only you can improve. Like how to write a fast code or how to write a minimal code to execute some uh, function or to execute some like um, functionality like that. Okay. So if you are serious about becoming a software engineer, this is the right place to start. Subscribe the channel so you don't miss the upcoming tutorials. In the next video, we'll discuss exactly like how to choose your first programming language and create a learning plan that works. So if you have question or topics you would like me to cover, leave a comment below. Okay. Also, you can DM me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding.